Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2018 Chevy Equinox LT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, has a special sports package on it, really nice. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around. Beautiful color outside. It's like a pearl color white. It has really nice black wheels with red stripes on them. Looks really cool. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the front light. On the driver's side, brand new light. Look at that. Outstanding condition. Very nice. Grille looks good. Beautiful condition throughout. The other headlamp also in outstanding shape. Taking a look at the fog lights below. Also in beautiful condition. Grille looks good. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Beautiful condition. This fog light does have a scratch on it right here. Besides, that's in beautiful shape. The front license plate holder has a couple little scuffs right here and a couple little marks here on the bumper. Besides, that's in beautiful shape. Taking a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Very nice color. Taking a look at the fender on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition. Very nice shape there. Looks super clean. Driver door also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Does have a small little tiny dent right here. Besides, that's in beautiful condition. Taking a look at the rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Clean throughout. Does have a little dent right there. Besides, that's in beautiful shape. Quarter panel on the driver's side looks good. Very nice shape throughout. Really nice. Take a look at the rear bumper. Rear bumper looks good. Does have parking sensors and rear backup camera. A nice feature. Rear hatch looks good. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Super clean. Taking a look at the corner panel on the passenger side rear looks good. Very nice shape. Rear door on the passenger side also. Very nice condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Front door on the passenger side looks good throughout. Very nice condition. Does have a little blemish here on the paint. Couple little marks here by where the handle is. Front fender on the passenger side looks good. Very nice condition. Does have a dent right here. Besides, that looks good. Front windshield, brand new. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof is in good shape. Does have a couple blemishes here and there. It's got a couple little dings and dents up here. Besides, that looks good. Very nice condition overall. Okay, that's going to conclude our quick walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really in outstanding shape. Look at all the controls. They look amazing. Very nice. Door panel's in beautiful condition. It has a control for the rear power door here. Look at that. Really nice feature. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat looks good. Very nice shape. Does have a couple scratches here on the cloth. Besides, that looks good. Does come with a full set of floor mats. Really in nice condition. Power driver's seat with lumbar. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front door panel on the passenger side. Door panel looks good. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Really in great shape. Let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Dashboard, everything looks really nice. We'll take a closer look at that in a moment. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door. Door looks good. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice shape. Door panel's in really nice condition. Take a look at the rear seat. Does come with a full set of floor mats. Look at that floor mat there. Very nice. Seats in beautiful shape. Those seats fold forward for extra space. It's got like a two-tone color with stitching on it. Looks really cool. In the back here, it's got a plug here for for power, and then it has a couple USBs there. Really nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, really in nice shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Look at that, very nice. Take a look at the rear seat, also in beautiful condition. Looks really nice. Extra clean. We're sitting inside this 2018 Chevy Equinox. Let's go ahead and start this one up. As long as you have the key fob in here, you're good to go. So this is the key fob. This is the power button to start it right there. So all you gotta do is hold the key fob inside the car, press the brake. I'm gonna just put the key fob right there in the glove hole, in the cup holder. So we're gonna go ahead and press the brake, press the button, starts right up. There you go. Really nice. Everything's fully functional, no issues at all. Let's go ahead and take a cool look at some of the features on it. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a closer look here. It has 14,459 miles. Very nice. This one has that auto stop feature. So when you're stopped for a long period of time at the light or something, it'll turn off the engine, save fuel. Really nice feature there. Miles per hour, temperature, and fuel gauge. And then it has a bunch of other information to go through here. We got trip computers in there, miles per gallon, range till empty, oil service, tire pressure sensors, really nice feature there. Economy in the last 50 miles, average speed, start for a timer, and miles per hour. We'll go ahead and leave it on the miles per hour right there. Okay, let's take a look at some of the other features on this thing. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. There you go. It's got a power rear hatch. You can control it from here, or you can use the remote to open and close. That's a nice feature. Automatic lights with fog lights. Cruise control on the steering wheel. Steering wheel radio controls. Information center control here. On the back here of the steering wheel, you have the volume control.
Just because you leave town doesn't mean...
So you can raise and lower the volume, and on this side here, it has two buttons that you can change the stations, which is really cool. It's really nice. Steering wheel is leather wrapped. Very nice. Really in beautiful condition. Taking a look at the automatic transmission. That's the parking brake. Take a look here. It has a tow button right there. Really nice. Climate control AC. You can have two separate temperatures, one for the passenger and one for the driver. Really nice feature. It has heated seats. Look at that. You press that there. Heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. 3 different settings there. Very cool. And it's climate control, so you can sync both zones with the same temperature if you like also. Up above here is the MyLink GM radio. Go a little bit more in depth on this radio. Go back to the home. So you click there, that's home. So it has the audio controls here. It has AM, FM, XM radio ready. It has media, so you can connect your USB or whatever, and you can listen to the stuff off your phone. Very useful. Let's go back to home again. We're looking at here you can pair your phone you could do Bluetooth and everything, and it also lets you answer your text messages and stuff in here, which is pretty cool, and listen to them. Go back to home again. Project. When you press that, you can connect your phone with a cord, and then whatever's on your screen gets thrown up to the screen there. So if you have a navigation or whatever, you can throw it up there, which is pretty cool. And you can look at the navigation on your screen, which is pretty cool. OnStar navigation, you can go ahead and subscribe to that, and they'll provide you navigation through GM. Settings, it's got all the settings here. It's got a rear seat reminder. If you have a small child, you can set that up. It'll let you know when he's back there and stuff, and remind you when you turn the car off. Teen driver, Bluetooth, radio controls. It has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. That's how you connect it with the wire there. It has Wi-Fi, rear backup camera. We'll look at that in a moment. Go back to home again. So and then if you want to download apps, you have to have your internet connected here, and you can select new apps and stuff, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's pretty much all the information on the radio. The radio does have a small little scratch right here on the edge, as you can see there. So it's a little hairline scratch there. Just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. That way you know the condition of the radio. It's just a small scratch here. Doesn't affect the touch screen. Everything's working perfect on it, but it does have a little scratch right there. Nothing major. This is a really cool feature this vehicle has. It has backup camera with parking sensors. So when you put in reverse, it shows you which way you're going to roll back. It has lines there, which when you turn the steering wheel, it also turns the direction on which way the vehicle is going to go, which is pretty cool. Another feature this one has is this is a nice feature. When you start backing up, it has parking sensors in the back. So as you get closer, it's going to beep and let you know when you're getting too close to something. It's got a little triangle that shows up there. And then on the dash, as you can see here, it's got a little thing there that shows that you're getting closer and closer. So it also beeps and lets you know when you're getting closer and closer. So right there, it's beeping, letting us know we're too close. So that's a really nice feature. Not all these Equinox bring that. That's an extra. And see, as you can see there, we're far away from that tree, but we're being told we're a little bit too close. That's a really nice feature. It's in beautiful condition. Dashboard does have a couple little scratches here and there, nothing major. I mean, it looks really nice overall. Beautiful condition. Really in nice shape. Look at that. Very nice. Up above here, you have a sunglass holder. Good to have that. Programmable garage door openers. It's got the airbag light here for the passenger, so when a passenger sits down, it'll turn it on and off. It's got OnStar here. You got a couple courtesy lights there, which is really nice. Very nice. Look at that. Courtesy light 1, courtesy light 2, and it looks like they're the LEDs, which are pretty bright. Taking a look at that seat, armrest, everything looks really clean on the vehicle. Now it does have some buttons up here. I'm guessing that's for manual mode. You can put it in manual mode or whatever and drive it in manual mode. Very nice. It's got a good size center console there for space. Couple USB plugs. It's got a really nice light back there. Really well equipped. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Extra clean. Okay, that's all the features we're looking at. Oh, it's got rear wipers. I just showed it right there. Front and rear wipers. This one for the high and low lights. Really nice. All right, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a minute. We're sitting inside this 2018 Equinox. Going to go ahead and take it for a test drive. We already have it in drive here. Look at that. Let's go ahead and take it for a little test drive. See how it drives. It's pretty quick. I'm going to go ahead and check the brakes here. Go to the stop sign here. Stops perfect. Really nice. Nice stop. Accelerate again. Feels good. A lot of power. It's pretty quick for a 4-cylinder. Tires are in very good shape. Really nice set of wheels on there. Looks really cool. Steering wheel's nice and smooth. Turns perfect. Brakes are good. Now this one has that auto stop feature, so if you're stopped for a long period of time, it'll turn off the engine on auto stop. You'll still have the AC and everything else working on the car, but it just shuts down the engine for you to conserve gas. So really nice. Here we got another stop sign. Stops pretty quick. Feels good. Drives super nice. Turn ratio looks good too. Turns pretty quick. Really nice drive. Okay, well that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look under the hood. Take a look at the tires and in the cargo area. Okay, we're looking at the cargo area in the back. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at those lights back here since we have it open. Lights look brand new, beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Look at that. Really in outstanding condition. Door jamb looks good all the way through. Very nice. Take a look at the rear. All the panels are in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Here below, storage area down there also. Down below there, you'll find the spare tire with the jack and everything. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Feature also this rear door has power door. So all you gotta do is press this button here. Comes right down. Really nice. You can open it with the remote, and you could also just use the button on the door itself. Really nice feature. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tires in brand new condition. Look at that. Really nice shape. Hancock tires. Take a look at the rim. It's painted black. It's got a couple racing stripes there in red. Looks really cool. Very nice. Looking at the back tire on the driver's side. Tire looks good. Looks brand new. Look at the tire tread on there. It looks really nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Look at that. Hancock tires all the way around, all matching tires. Okay, we're looking at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire looks brand new, really in outstanding condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Black with those red accents, racing colors. Very nice. Look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks amazing. Brand new tire. Looks really nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Black color with those racing stripes. Looks really cool. Very nice. Okay, this vehicle does have a rebuild title. We're going to explain exactly what was repaired. The hood had some damage on it. The hood was repaired and painted to match. Very nice. Front windshield was replaced. The roof had some roof damage here in this area, which was repaired. Then on the passenger side rear door, it had a damage here to the door, so the door skin was replaced. The front door was blended to match, and the rear quarter panel was painted. Up above on the roof, it had a couple dents. We did take out most of them, but there are a couple imperfections here and there that you can see. Couple imperfections up on the roof, nothing major, but the roof was just repaired. The part. That concludes our video for this 2018 Chevy Equinox LT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thank you very much.